going to do is the quality factor. Quality factor is a parameter which will give us the rate of decay of energy of the damped oscillator. So it is like at how much rate the energy is being dissipated or it is being diminished by the damping. So it is denoted by Q. So this is also called the Q factor or the quality factor, and it is defined as the number equal to 2 pi times the ratio of instantaneous energy to the energy lost during one time period. So here I have I have written here to just explain you in a more concise manner that 2 pi is Q is equal to 2 pi multiplied by energy at any time t divided by loss of energy during one time period. So I am denoting here like U divided by, this is the, because this is loss of energy, so I am writing here negative minus of du t dash. So negative sign is denoting the loss of energy, basically dissipation of the energy. So as you know that energy U is proportional to amplitude of the amplitude square. So I can write A as A naught e raised to power minus B into t. So I'm squaring this side, and after that I'm getting A naught square e raised to power minus 2b t. 2 is multiplied with this. So after removing the proportionality sign, I can write like U is equal to U naught e raised to power minus 2b into t. So U is basically depending upon e raised to power minus 2bt, like exponential decrement is there in the energy. So when I need to calculate the du for one time period, okay. So I am just differentiating this with respect to time. So when I am going to do that, this is du is equal to U naught e raised to power minus 2bt, and then after I will do differentiation of this factor. So this is minus 2b, and with the t I would write dt dash. So this is what I have, the differentiation of this all with respect to t. So I need to calculate minus du. So negative sign would go here, and this would become positive quantity. So this is equal to 2b U naught e raised to power minus 2bt dt. So I am taking du for one time period. So for taking one time period, dt, this factor would be equal to t dash. So this would give me minus du is equal to 2b U naught e raised to power minus bt into t dash. So this is the value of the loss of energy during one time period. So I am writing just this value of du and this value of u. I am filling it in here, okay. So I will have q is equal to 2 pi multiplied by u. U is equal to U naught e raised to power minus 2bt divided by this factor. So 2b U naught e raised to power minus 2bt into t dash. So everything else is being cancelled, like U naught is cancelled with this factor is cancelled with this. So I am left with only this term 2 pi multiplied by 1 upon 2b t dash. So this is 2b t dash. So this is Q, this is called the quality factor. So moving further, I am calculating Q for mechanical oscillator, okay. So if I am calculating it for mechanical oscillator, what I would do, I would simply replace B with R upon 2M. Okay, so I will have 2Q is equal to 2 pi into 1 upon 2 B R upon 2M and T dash. Okay, so I am getting here 2 pi M upon R into T dash. Okay, so this is the value of Q. Also 2 pi by T dash, this value is basically the angular frequency. So I can write here omega naught dash M upon R. So this is the Q value for the mechanical oscillator. Okay. So if I am going to calculate for the electrical oscillator, then B would be equal to R upon 2L. Okay. So I will fill here. So I will have Q for electrical oscillator is equal to, this was for mechanical oscillator. For electrical oscillator I would have 2 pi into 1 upon 2BT, 2 B is R upon 2L and T dash. Okay. Again 2 would cancel. So I will have 2 pi upon T. I would replace it by omega naught dash. So this is L upon R. So this is what I have for electrical oscillator. This relation is for electrical oscillator. So finally we are going to calculate the relation between the three parameters. One parameter was tau, the relaxation time. Other parameter is delta, which is the logarithmic decrement, and Q is the quality factor. These three factors we have learned already. So tau is equal to 2m upon r, delta is equal to r t dash upon 2m, and Q is equal to 2 pi m upon r t dash. Okay. So because delta tau is 2m upon r, so this is 2m upon r. So I am just writing here pi upon t dash, 2m upon r. I am replacing it with tau. Okay. So I am getting here Q is equal to pi upon t dash tau, or we can write like tau is equal to Q t dash upon pi. So this is the relation between Q and tau. And also I can write like, because delta was equal to t upon tau. So this was what I have. So if I need to calculate this, so I would write here t dash upon Q t dash upon tau. Okay, so I will have here, so this is pi. So I will have here t dash and t dash would cancel, and I will have pi upon q. So I will have these two